Hustle Syndicate presents an unyielding exploration into the art and science of harnessing Pinterest's affiliate strategies to command a substantial $10,000 monthly income. Within this discourse lies a meticulously crafted roadmap, a blueprint that redefines the very essence of financial empowerment. Prepare to immerse yourself in the realm where tech prowess intertwines with savvy affiliate methodologies, illuminating a path that leads to unparalleled financial success. Seeking to enhance your affiliate marketing earnings? Pinterest, a social media platform boasting impressive numbers: 465 million monthly users worldwide, with nearly 85 million in the US, a 76% female audience, and 45% of its users raking in over $100,000, offers a lucrative avenue to explore. Armed with a keen eye, creative flair, and a selection of engaging products, you can harness Pinterest's power to generate affiliate sales. Embark on a journey to unlock the potential of your Pinterest account and tap into the platform's ability to generate passive income. Pinterest affiliate marketing is a strategy that involves promoting products or services on Pinterest and earning a commission when someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase. Affiliate marketers create eye-catching pins, images, or videos, and include affiliate links that direct users to the product or service's website. If a user clicks on the link and completes a purchase, the affiliate marketer receives a commission from the sale. This method of affiliate marketing leverages Pinterest's visual appeal and vast user base to generate income. Unlike social commerce, which focuses on direct product sales, Pinterest affiliate marketing capitalizes on the platform's community-oriented nature and shared interests. When promoting products on Pinterest, you typically reach an audience with specific interests in niche markets like travel, home decor, food, and other visually appealing areas. This targeted approach allows you to connect with a more receptive audience, making Pinterest affiliate marketing a more effective strategy for reaching niche consumers. Embark on your Pinterest affiliate marketing journey by identifying suitable affiliate programs through affiliate networks and establishing your Pinterest account. To pave the path to success and reap the rewards as a Pinterest affiliate marketer, consider these essential tips. Know your rules. In the vast sea of Pinterest content, researching inspiring and creative pins aligned with your audience is crucial. Art J. Weiss, founder of The Ways to Wealth, notes Pinterest's unique longevity, where older pins can continue generating traffic and affiliate revenue. To succeed, integrate Pinterest's guidelines into your strategy. No cloaking. Avoid masking affiliate links using tools like bit.ly. Pinterest values transparency to avoid misleading users. Affiliate disclosure. Adhere to FTC guidelines. Clearly disclose affiliate links with labels like sponsored in both pin descriptions and landing pages. Single account. Stick to one Pinterest account. Creating multiples or coordinating with others to manipulate the platform is against Pinterest's guidelines. Avoid content blocking. Follow all Pinterest guidelines to prevent content blocking, ensuring a compliant affiliate marketing experience. Schedule pins in advance. Utilize pin scheduling tools like Tailwind, Later, and Hootsuite to streamline your workflow. These tools enable you to create a personalized schedule, add new content to your queue, and automatically publish pins to your board. Scheduling pins in advance allows you to strategically target your content to reach users when they are most active on Pinterest. This proactive approach enhances the likelihood of engaging with your audience and driving traffic to your affiliate links. Enhance rich pins. Enhance your pins with rich details on Pinterest to make them stand out in a crowded feed, increasing the potential to drive more traffic. Rich pins offer more descriptive information within the pin descriptions compared to standard images found on the platform. These pins are particularly useful for different types of content. For products, rich pins display updated pricing and availability information. Recipes benefit from rich pins by showing cooking time, ratings, ingredients, and serving sizes. Articles can leverage rich pins to feature headlines, descriptions, and author details, making them more informative. To enable rich pins, a bit of a complex process awaits, but it's a one-time setup. Here's how. Start by adding rich meta tags to the specific pages where you want to utilize rich pins, like a blog post reviewing your affiliate product. Next, use the Rich Pin Validator to confirm that the tags have been correctly uploaded. Select the method you use to add rich meta tags, such as HTML, OEmbed, or Shopify. Finally, if everything appears in order, submit an Apply Now request and wait for about 24 hours for Pinterest to approve your rich pin application. This process will ensure that all future pins meeting the criteria will become rich pins. Pin to group boards. Pinterest boards aren't just for individuals to showcase their personal style. Group boards allow multiple users to share content on a single board, fostering a sense of community and expanding reach. By joining group boards related to your affiliate product's niche, you can tap into a wider audience and promote your products to a more engaged group of users. Tools like Pingroupie can help you identify relevant group boards to join. For instance, if you promote craft products, you could contribute to the crochet community board. Before joining a group board, carefully review its description to understand the guidelines for becoming a contributor and posting new content. Some boards may restrict direct affiliate links to product pages, in which case you can use blog posts or YouTube videos as landing pages. Optimized for SEO. Pinterest functions both as a social platform and a powerful visual search engine. Optimizing your profile for SEO expands visibility to users actively searching for relevant content. Incorporate SEO best practices, including keywords with purchase intent and rich pins for updated metadata, to drive increased traffic, engagement, and brand awareness. Mitchell Stern of SideHustle.tips highlights the rapid viral potential with judicious keyword selection. Comprehensive keyword research is crucial, connecting pins with audience searches. Matt Lally from Matty Ads recommends keywords with 10,000 to 100,000 monthly volumes. Consistent keyword use in pin boards and creatives enhances visibility. Build an email list through Pinterest. Monica Lent, the founder of Affiliate, suggests that affiliate marketers face challenges on Pinterest as users often engage with the platform for aspirational purposes. She notes that most pinners aren't seeking immediate solutions or making instant purchases. Instead, they are typically planning for the long term, extending beyond the expiration date of your affiliate cookie. According to her, the most effective Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy involves capturing readers' email addresses. This approach enables marketers to promote affiliate products through drip email campaigns, taking the necessary time to educate readers and gradually introduce them to the offer. The easiest method to achieve this is by integrating an email sign-up option on your landing page. Encourage Pinterest visitors to subscribe to your email list by offering an incentive, which could be a content-focused lead magnet, a discount code, or another bonus or free item. Subsequently, develop an email campaign aimed at consistently fostering and maintaining that relationship. Analyze pin performance. Optimize Pinterest affiliate marketing by establishing a regular schedule for analyzing key metrics through Pinterest analytics and scheduling tools. Complement this with a custom Google Analytics segment focused on Pinterest visitors, revealing specific actions during their visit. Regularly monitor your affiliate dashboard for direct measures of effectiveness, such as the number of purchases through Pinterest pins. Evaluate key metrics like click-through rate, time on site, and conversions. Analyze specific pins generating higher click-through rates and assess the impact of influential endorsements. Compare Pinterest user behavior to other traffic sources, using e-commerce analytics to align pin content with landing page themes. Pay attention to conversion rates for promoted and unpromoted items, adjusting your content strategy for optimization. Promote high-performing pins. Enhance your marketing strategy with Pinterest ad purchases. Pinterest highlights that the most effective standard ads are pins that feature high-resolution, vertical images, emphasize your brand, contain reliable links, and have clear content copy. Combining high-performing pins with organic pins can significantly boost traffic and expand your audience. Use these pins to either directly promote an affiliate link or guide users back to your affiliate marketing content. Statistics reveal that 1 in 2 Pinterest users has made a purchase after encountering a promoted pin. Tailor your promoted pin to target specific audiences, ensuring it stands out more prominently in their feed. As we draw the curtains on this journey through the realms of affiliate strategies and technological finesse, remember that the knowledge shared here is a catalyst for your financial odyssey. The Pinterest affiliate approach, if embraced with unwavering dedication and astute implementation, holds the power to revolutionize your income streams. Embrace the fusion of technology and determination as you traverse the landscape of financial success. Thank you for your presence in the world of Tech Hustle, where the intersection of technology and financial prowess births new realms of possibility.